Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, you guys, I don't know why this lighting is so yellow, but it's time for a room tour. It's me. Do it like it's your B-Day. Yup, yup. Alright, so as soon as you walk in, full length mirror. What's up, y'all? He fucks with y'all now. He fucks with y'all now.
I've been fucked with y'all. But she was trying to get me when I was slipping.
We got the mirror.
Yeah.
She said,
Daddy Brina.
this is why we am.
Yeah.
This is why we am.
Ha. Bam. As you can see, and now I'm basically getting ready because we're about to go to a beach club. So I'm about to do my makeup. If you would like a full makeup tutorial, leave it down in the comments down below. But other than that, I will see you guys after I'm done with the makeup and after I'm done getting dressed. All right. Hola, people. We're currently sitting down finally. They're just so rude and nasty.
The seafood special, that's a red snapper with some shrimp, risotto, and a white wine sauce.
As soon as we walked in, it's just nothing but staring and eyes and stuff like that, and it's just like, girl.
Most of the girls in here are barefoot, cargo shorts and stuff. We are done up to the T. Not only are they threatening, but they know that their men is looking.
Yep.
Come on. And you have every type of body type here. And, you know,
Bodacious body. Slim. Seduction over here. Seductive.
And you got fit.
And you got fit.
Alright, y'all. So honestly, I did not like that.
Lady Gaga.
Chocolate in the house down pizza was motherfucking slab.
Yes.
Sheena food was slab. Can I taste the? She said ain't got no flavor. She just
Bitch, I just ate that shit.
Shit fucked up her plate. That was not it at all. Currently, we're waiting for our cab. We took some pictures. Check out my Instagram and y'all can see the pictures that I took. This outfit. Go look at the pictures because the pictures is fire. Shout outs to Imani for taking them fucking fire ass pictures. Alright, y'all, so we arrived back in the hotel. Me, Jock, and Melissa is going to the pool. So this is the bathing suit that I'm currently wearing. Ooh, don't mind me. I got a little fat, y'all. But I'm working on that because, you know, I want a BBL. But this is the bathing suit. Very much so. Come on, bitch. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. So yesterday the camera died. Doing ATV riding today. Purr. Bitches got the Henny. Purr. Bitches got the Henny. Purr. Bitches got the Henny. Good morning. It's TS Zariah here.
TS Jock.
TS Imani.
TS with my mouth.
So we're currently on our way to go get some food or whatever. Okay, guys, so we got the food. I got shrimp with potato. Melissa got the salmon.
Shrimp and linguine.
Her.
You look over, babe. So I have the tuna steak. So it's tuna. Nice steak.
Is it ginger?
Sheena is waiting for her food. So I just want to say thank you to Tasha Lee. That was our waitress. She gave us some dessert.
For the free.
For free.
What? Only for Z-Day do we get shit for free.
Do it like it's your B-Day.
Do it like it's Z-Day.
Hey.
With my mouth. With your mouth.
That's what it gave.
And I got goosebumps.
I heard.
Yo, she really does.
I got goosebumps.
She done ass that.
Riot. Oh, that's deadly.
Ooh, you tried it, bestie?
Yeah, that's deadly.
It's so airy.
It's so moist with my mouth.
Right now, we're going to the Cape of Love. From the ATV and the beach.
Like the beach.
Yeah, the beach was fun. The beach was beautiful. It was phenomenal. I look crazy as hell. My lace lifted and everything, bro.
What's up, Leo?
Leo. What's up, guys?
Tell them where they can book you at and everything.
Yeah, you can look me up on Instagram, LDO Alvis. Yeah, man, you come to Curaçao, come ride with me.
What is up, you guys? So currently we're on our way to dinner.
Hello.
Period.
Hello.
Everybody. So currently we're at Steak and Ribs. Y'all can't really see it, but there's the ocean over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get the garlic.
And you got the bad bitch.
Hey.
Let me feed it to you. Let me feed it to you, sister. Let me feed it to you, sister.
I can't. This is making me so.
Okay. Disgusting.
Okay, so she's about to feed me like it's my birthday. And, you know, they call me Arby's because I love all of the meat. Fish, beef, pork.
Yeah.
So seductive, she wine. Wash it down with some lime. Come on. Let me eat from this angle because I look there. Hi, Mom.
This food is so good. So I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna see you guys later because child, I don't want to devour while y'all watching me. That's weird. I'll see you guys later. Yo, why is they not there?
You know what's so funny? It is the
Capricorn. The Haitian bodies. Y'all bitches could
Never, bitch.
Who are you?
IT, who are we?
We're that bitch. So now currently we're just waiting for the cab to come. And then we're gonna go to the beach, do some jet skiing, take some pictures, you know, content, honey. Yes, content. Alright y'all, so this is the outfit. I'm leaving the hair like super puffy and up and stuff like that. Style by Imani, be by me, you know the vibes. Alright you guys, so we just arrived for us to take off at the boat area. We're about to do an outfit check real quick. The block, all you bitches wanna be probably cause my waist long, molly long Nia. In a twin seater, you Tamara was Tia. Boat.
Ooh, to the boat?
Y'all hoes can't even spell boat.
Happy birthday, Pzuriah. Happy birthday, Z. We want to say happy birthday. We love you. We love you so much. We're glad you're enjoying your time here. Sheena, the, what is it, travel agent.
Imani, the stylist.
Imani K. Get it correct. Imani K. But we love you, C. And we're out.
You keep bothering all of these kids. You need to stop bothering their children.
They're my friends.
Friends? You don't know that.
Girl, and you better have me a stick on beside Carol Baskin.
Who the hell is Carol Baskin?
He's dead. Alright, you guys, so currently we're on our way to dinner. We had a whole outfit change. You already know I'm gonna give you guys a fucking outfit check, okay? Just a little preview. Busty. Alright, you guys, so currently we're at Ceviche. This restaurant is phenomenal. Bitch, that shit was hard. Alright, you guys, so our main course just came in. Everything looks so delicious.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure. Baby, it's you. This ring here represents.
Alright, you guys, so we just got done with dinner. The food was fucking amazing. I couldn't finish it because I had like this course set vibe on. So I couldn't finish it, but we definitely packed it. Look at them. They're laughing up a storm. But we're about to go take some pictures. So after that, we're gonna go to the room and go to the pool and take some more pictures. You know the vibes. Content creator. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow all the baddies on Instagram too. And that's on her. So I will definitely see you guys most likely tomorrow, but I will definitely insert some pictures. So I'm gonna probably insert like 1 or 2, but the rest is definitely on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram for sure. But I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. We have such a big day tomorrow, and I just can't wait for you guys to see it. So later, love you. Rich bitch.
It's my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Do it like it's your birthday.
Hey, do it like it's your
Iguana Cafe.
Drop his neck.
Love me some Starbucks. I thought this is the fragrance. A fragrance. You know what I'm so excited about?
The Starbucks.
The Starbucks.
I know you are.
I'm mad happy about the Starbucks. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Bam.
Period. Boo.
Bam.
Period. Boo.
And that's how you do it.
Period. That's how
And
you
that's
set the
how you do
motherfucking
it.
pace.
Okay.
Y'all see that?
That's a sneak.
Spell.
That's a sneak peek for your birthday tomorrow.
Fragrance.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Soraya.
That's so corny, bro.
How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy 25th birthday. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Gura! Oh.
I hope you enjoy. We did that.
Let me smell her, let me smell her, let me smell her.
Smells amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
Expensive pussy. The girl said that they wanted a fragrance collection. Son, I know you wanted it. No shit, come on. I got select on the high smells. No, it smells? Okay. I'll show you, go ahead. What happened to the bag?
You know I'm a big pro. I'll rip her bed for a rip.
No, she's lying. Don't listen to her. She's jealous. What is it giving? Ooh! Gucci guilty. Okay. Okay. And what? It ain't done yet. Go ahead. What Melissa gave you? You lack nothing in life.
What?
This bitch gonna smell mad good. I'm rich.
And now time for Imani's birthday gift. Walk out, I'm embarrassed. Okay.
Ooh, I'm like, somebody send it to
Happy
me.
birthday. No, don't cry, sister, don't cry. You didn't open it yet. Wait till you open it. Sister, please. Just wait till you open it. It's okay.
I don't know.
Sister, oh my God, no.
I'm gonna cry.
I know. Happy birthday. Oh, save it. Happy birthday.
This right. We did that, that's why. Okay, big purr.
Oh,
Girl, how am I gonna take this home?
Get Imani in the camera too. With your mouth. Period. Period. Oh. And what else? What else did you get? It's an album for your pictures. That's Polaroid, right?
Yeah.
The best moments in your life.
Y'all bitch can't spell friends.
We can. Oh, ooh. Okay, she said baby.
Hey guys, so I know I haven't said anything or posted anything since this morning, but today's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Big purr. You already know the vibes. Outfit check. Hold on, I got the lucky shoes on. With the red hair. Big purr.
Little crusty sandals with the crusty toes. Just a little
I know that's right.
sun. Just a little sun.
I know that's right. Jacques Rich.
The twin. Jacques Rich.
You got
The stylist.
Wait, hold on.
Imani K.
Sheena, the wife of the stylist.
Just Betty. Happy birthday!
Ooh, this cake looks so cute. Big purr.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to girl.
It's giving very much exotic. Yo! Oh my gosh.
So you want to talk about reading?
New York from Queens. Bitch, we was at the stroll, ho. We was gonna take pictures and we ended up at the stroll. Okay, what sister? Exotica. Exotica, honey. Yo, I had so much fun. It was lit and it was cute. You know, follow my gurus.
Daddy Green to follow us. We've been shitting on bitches this whole trip, so bitch,
Period.
get some tissues, bitch.
You about to cry?
Okay? Well, you better be crying in the foreign.
Okay.
Crying in Hoopy.
But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. And this is the last time y'all gonna see me because I want to enjoy. Thank you. I want to enjoy the rest of my vacation, the last 3 days that I have. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I do upload, you are notified. Love you, gang. Mwah.